Hello. Today we're going to talk about why most credit scores you see aren't real. Yes, I said it. Most credit scores you see and that you get online are not real. What defines real? And why would I say that? The truth of the matter is most services that provide credit scores, for instance, if you log into a monitoring service, most of those companies provide you their credit score. Their credit score is oftentimes not the same as the credit score that the bank looks at. So unfortunately, you're monitoring your credit and you're trying to do all the right things to know what's going on, but you look at the score in your monitoring service and then you think, I'm ready, my scores are great. You go to the bank and they have a completely different score. Do you know how often people experience exactly what I'm talking about? And it's very frustrating because you didn't know that the score that you got was not real. So the question again is, what defines real? What's real to me is what the bank looks at when I go there. So if I go to the bank and I've looked at my score already, I'm expecting the banker to pretty much say the same score. And it at least should be close. Why? Because real is defined by who needs to evaluate you. And if you're trying to build credit scores, I think we could both agree that you're looking for the bank to evaluate you. So then there's the second question. Well, what scores are the banks looking at? Did you know that nearly 90% of all lenders use the FICO scoring system? FICO. Not FICA, like it comes out your paycheck, FICO. And this is a private company that has created a scoring system that lenders prefer. So most of the time, if you're getting a credit card, they're going to pull FICO scores. If you're applying for a car, they're probably going to pull FICO scores. If you're applying for a mortgage, they're definitely pulling FICO scores. So you need to know when you're using these different services if the scores you're getting are what you need to see. You know that because FICO, being a private company, labels all their scores as FICO scores. So when you're looking at these different services, if the score you're getting just says credit score and it does not label it as a FICO score, then chances are you're not getting a real score. There's another scoring system out there called Vantage Scoring, and this is a combination of a score that was pulled together by the 3 credit bureaus. And so Vantage Scoring is what's usually offered in some of these monitoring services. But again, Vantage scores are not what the banks are looking at. So you have to do your due diligence to make sure that what you are looking at is accurate, and so that you're prepared when you go in for a loan. Now, in later videos, we will be reviewing different sites and different services so that you have a better idea of what those services are providing to you and what type of scores they are giving you. So make sure that you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.